Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the much-hyped iPhone 16. Is it worth the upgrade, or should you save your cash? Let's find out. First up is the design. Apple has kept the classic aesthetic but added some exciting tweaks. The bezels are practically invisible, and the titanium edges feel premium. It's lighter and more durable than ever, which is great for all-day use. Plus, there's a brand new color lineup. The 6.5-inch XDR Infinity display is absolutely stunning. It's brighter, smoother, and supports up to a 240 Hz refresh rate for super smooth scrolling. Perfect for gamers and content bingers alike. Powered by the new A18 Bionic chip, this thing is fast. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, there's no lag. And guess what? It's the first iPhone with a built-in cooling system for extended performance. Now let's talk about the cameras. The 48-megapixel main sensor gets an upgrade with better low-light performance, and the new periscope zoom lens can go up to 10 times without losing detail. Cinematic mode in 8K? Yes, please, battery life is solid. I got a full day of heavy use, gaming, streaming, and more. Plus, the new MagSafe Ultra charges 30% faster. Say goodbye to long charging times. iOS 18 comes with cool features like adaptive widgets, which predict what you need most, and improved AI-driven photo editing tools. And the improved Face ID? It works from more angles now. Finally. So is it worth it? Starting at insert price, the iPhone 16 is a premium phone with top-notch features. If you're coming from the iPhone 14 or earlier, it's a fantastic upgrade. But if you've got the iPhone 15, you might want to wait. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the iPhone 16? Are you upgrading? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, peace.